Jaime, you didn't wait. I wanted to get your takeoff. Looks like it's good.
Don't fly too long, because you only have one battery, remember that? You can back off the throttle.
Yeah, back off. You're way too high.
You're way,
Yeah, pull throttle back more. Leave it at half. A little above.
At least like you need up.
I'm gonna get my jet ready to go.
Yeah, me too. Which one are you gonna fly?
Oh, the Hobbit. Yeah.
Okay, I wanna
That's the only one I have.
wanna get something I can chase you with.
Alright.
Looks good.
Okay, landing.
Landing. You're clear. And just slow it down. It slows down really nice. Feel it. Bring it back.
Cut it
It's
off.
off. You don't need it. Yeah.
You
That's
don't
perfect.
even need it.
That's
You
perfect.
You could dead stick
Perfect.
it. And then just pull up a little bit.
There you go. Look at that.
Pull up. It's
Look at that.
super easy to fly.
Nice.
It's not a fuss.
And look at the gear just absorbed it.
Yeah, it's not
Cool.
fussy at all.
Very good.
We
Nice.
can go home, guys.
Nice job. Nice job.
No, I don't have battery.
Now you just need a little bit of expo, make it smoother.
Good job.
Expo?
Yeah, you need
what
expo.
that is.
Well, we'll do it for you and we won't tell you what it is.
You know how
good.
you fly? You know what expo is.
No, I never use it.